Glowing test tube. What do we need? Let's get started. Fill the tube with water. Carefully take 4 scoops from glow powder and add it to the tube and mix well. Place a flashlight close to the tube and leave it on for 5 minutes. You can use mobile phone flashlight. Close all the lights in the room, including the flashlight, and watch. Did the tube glow?
Yay!
Scientific explanation. The glow powder absorbs the light in the room and emits it later. This is how the glow sticks work. This is called phosphorescence.